At this point, it really does look like resistance is going to be up here about 2.0350. So if you're going short, it's at 278. That's a lot of heat to take. Okay, meaning if you're going short right here, really you've got to let the market come past the 350 level before you're going to be wrong. In other words, the market has already traded through this area, and it could probably trade through again. And this is the breakout point going to on the long side. So again, you got to be careful with this. What my plan is to watch, waiting for all the signs that I just described, waiting for the market to push down, wait for the retest here, and then look to go short right there, expecting a drop back down to this $2 level. I'm sorry, 2.050 level, possibly the $2 level. We've got a double bottom right here to contend with before the market gets right there. Now that we've gone down to a slightly smaller time frame, this is what I mean by it's sometimes easier to see the detail, if you will. And what you can see here is, okay, so here's this bar ends at 7 o'clock, or pardon me, 5 o'clock Eastern. The next one ends at 4 a.m. Eastern, so that's right about the open of the London market. I'm sorry, closes at 4 a.m. So between these two bars, you've got this one, you've got one bar closing at 5 o'clock, the next bar closing at 4 a.m., and then this bar, of course, closing at 8. So there's a little bit of a gap in there. I just realized that wasn't quite the example I had in mind. I apologize. So 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 a.m. So 12 in the afternoon, and then we've got 4 o'clock. So let's fast forward here. There we go. 8, 12, 16. Okay, so there we go. So as the market starts moving down, you're going to see breaking through this low. The market will break through this low. If it's bearish, that's what we should anticipate. The market breaking through the prior low, which it did. It'll probably retrace, break through the next low, retrace again, break through the next low. Very similar to the way that it moves up. You can see here the market breaks through the prior high, retraces, breaks through the prior high, comes down. You see how the market comes down here, but it can't come down and break either this low or that low. Okay, so then the market breaks through the prior low, comes up, tries to break through this low over here. It can't. At this point, once the market takes out this high, the likely direction is back to the upside. Okay, so we're going to look for the same thing over here. We're going to look for the market to make a very similar pattern to what we see over here. We just have to watch out for the areas where it's most likely going to turn bearish in order to go short, confirming some of those areas. Now, the pattern that I'm going to be looking for is this type of pattern here. Okay, that's the little dipper pattern. So you see the market starts trading a little bit sideways, breaks down, comes up, retests the support level, and then dumps off. It's just in this case you could see the market got stopped very quickly. In this case, the market will probably come down, hopefully breaking through this low here before coming back up, retesting this support area or resistance area right there, and then coming down into this 150 area right here. Okay, so that was almost 9 minutes to say there's nothing really to do, but there's the analysis for you. Again, my goal here is to try and give you more of an insight into what I'm thinking, how to look at the market, how to anticipate what the market's going to do, and then plan ahead. I want to make this one thing clear. I am still looking for a breakout above these levels here. I know I usually do this at the beginning, but I don't feel like recording this because it is a little bit later and the boys are in the bath. I want to get back in the house. 2.0357 long with a stop. Again, 35 pips. Okay, but again, this is watch out. Okay, the market whipsawed once right there. It can do it again. That trade is not an autopilot for me. Not an autopilot trade. Okay, that's one that I want to watch. If the market's up there during the New York session, by all means, I'm going to look for the market volatility expanding. Don't really have any important news coming out until this. I think it's Friday. Yeah, the 12th. Today's the 12th. The 14th, we're going to have U.S. Retail sales, and then Yeah, current account import. Yeah, there's a few important announcements coming on Friday. So anyway, that's it, folks. Sorry for rambling at you. It's just a little bit late here. Look forward to talking to you again soon. God bless you.